Welcome, everyone. Today, I want you to stop whatever you're doing, sit down, close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and ask yourself this simple question. Am I really living or am I just existing? Everyone wants to travel the world. They want their dream car. They want freedom, money, a peaceful mind, love, respect, happiness, a business they can call their own, a relationship that makes them feel alive, a life that feels worth living. But my question is this: what are you doing today to get all that? What are you doing right now to create the life you always dream about? Now, let's begin our below conversation. Hey, Mike, have you ever stopped and asked yourself, am I really living or just existing?
Hey, Ellie. All the time. It's so easy to get stuck scrolling on our phones, watching videos, or repeating the same routine. We all want big things: freedom, love, money, respect. But how often do we ask ourselves what we are actually doing today to reach those dreams?
Yeah, every hour wasted is like a piece of your life slipping away. Time doesn't come back.
Exactly. Every time you hit snooze, scroll social media, or say, I'll do it tomorrow, you are trading moments of your life for nothing. One day, you might wake up and ask, where did all my time go?
So the first lesson is valuing our time. But how do we start doing that?
Start small. Treat every hour like it's valuable. Write down a daily plan. Focus on one thing that will move your life forward. Even cutting 1 hour of social media and using it to read, practice English, or learn something new can make a huge difference.
People always make excuses though, right? I don't have money, I don't have support, I don't have time.
Yes, but life doesn't care about excuses. Your life is your responsibility. Not your parents, not your boss, not the government. Only you. People who succeed create something from nothing. They act no matter what they were given.
It's inspiring, but also scary. What if I fail?
Failure is part of learning. Pain and struggles are your power if you use them wisely. Look at someone like Oprah Winfrey. Born in poverty, abused as a child, yet she became one of the most respected people in the world. She didn't wait for things to happen. She built her life step by step.
So comfort zones are dangerous, right?
Absolutely. Comfort feels safe, but it quietly kills your dreams. Growth happens outside of comfort. If you never try, nothing grows. Like a seed under the soil, you must break through to see the sun. That's how you become strong.
That means even small things count, like speaking English even if I make mistakes.
Exactly. Every small, uncomfortable step pushes you forward. Start speaking even if you make mistakes. Post a video. Join a class. Practice daily. Fail forward, fail proudly.
And what about the voice inside that says, I'll do it later?
That's a lie. Later usually means never. The people who succeed act now, even if they're scared, even if they're not ready. One small action today is better than 100 perfect plans for later.
Overthinking is a trap too. Sometimes I get stuck in my own head.
Thinking is useful for planning, but overthinking creates fear and stops you from acting. Imagine someone who wants to learn swimming. They read books, watch videos, talk to swimmers, but never jump in. Will they learn? No. You must act. That's how English, business, or any skill grows.
Willpower seems so important too.
Yes. Willpower is like a muscle. Do what you don't feel like doing. Wake up early. Practice English. Study. Exercise. Discipline beats motivation. Every day you act despite fear, you grow stronger.
And comparison. So many people compare themselves to others and feel bad.
Comparison destroys confidence. You see others' highlights but not their struggles. Focus on your growth. Track your progress against yourself, not others. Learn from others, get inspired, but never hate yourself for not being them.
Advice is tricky too. Not everyone giving advice is qualified.
Yes. Seek advice from experience. Don't let the wrong words distract your journey. Protect your vision. Your path is yours alone.
Picking ourselves is key.
Stop waiting for permission. Pick yourself. Start your dream today. J.K. Rowling didn't wait for someone to believe in her. She acted. The world followed.
Life is about taking risks too, right?
Absolutely. Without risk, there is no story. Every successful person took risks. Speak, create, post, apply. Life rewards action, courage, and persistence.
Time keeps moving, no matter what.
Always. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Even one small step can begin a completely new life.
And even if life feels heavy, we keep moving.
Yes, pain can fuel growth. Struggles teach lessons. Keep walking, learning, and growing. Your journey is unique and powerful.
Step by step, habit by habit, I can become the person I want to be.
Yes, you are capable. You are strong. You are ready. Keep choosing yourself every day.
Keep moving, keep believing, keep becoming that person.
And remember, nobody owes you anything. You are free to create your life. Free to fail, free to rise.
Use your struggles, your failures, your pain. Turn it into power. Build your life like nobody's watching. Because they aren't.
So why wait? Start now. Start small, start bold.
Today is the day. One action, one step, one choice can change everything.
Your future is waiting. Your greatness is waiting. Your dream is waiting. Go get it.